My name is Nancy Jariwala. I am studying in FIBCom from SDJ International College. My division is C. My roll number is 316. Subject is Environmental Studies. Today's my topic is Ecosystem.
Ecosystems definition. An ecosystem is a geographic area where plants, animals, and other organisms, as well as weather and landscape, work together to form a bubble of life. The environment and the living world in it have a close relationship with one another. The framework or formation of the living world or organism is called ecosystem. The ecosystem can be divided into two main types. First, natural ecosystem. Second, artificial ecosystem. First, natural ecosystem. This natural ecosystem can further be divided into two subtypes. A. Terrestrial ecosystem and B. Aquatic ecosystem. A. Terrestrial ecosystem. This terrestrial ecosystem is further divided into three subtypes. A. Ecosystem in desert, ecosystem in forest, and ecosystem in grassland. B. Aquatic ecosystem. The aquatic ecosystem can be divided into the following subtypes. A. Ecosystem in streams. B. Ecosystem in ponds. C. Ecosystem in rivers. D. Ecosystem in ocean. And E. Ecosystem in lake. Second, artificial ecosystem. Artificial ecosystem is divided into three subtypes. A. Aquarium ecosystem. B. Farm ecosystem. And C. Space ecosystem. Today I have discussed natural ecosystem. In natural ecosystem, the living species perform their activities as per the natural situation. This natural ecosystem can further divide into two subtypes: terrestrial ecosystem and aquatic ecosystem. First, terrestrial ecosystem. This refers to the ecosystem found on land. They can be classified based on climate and temperature. First, ecosystem in desert. There are two types of desert, hot and cold. These ecosystems have extreme weather conditions. The air is dry, the weather is too hot in day and too cold at night, and they receive very little rainfall. As a result, the vegetation is sparse and very few animals live in the desert. Camel, desert snakes are few insects and animals that can be found in a desert. Second, ecosystem in forest. They comprise about 31% of the total land on earth. Based on the climate condition and type of forest, there are three different kinds of forest ecosystem in the world. A tropical rainforest is seen in areas which experience heavy rainfall. A coniferous forest can be found in cold, mountainous regions, unlike temperature forests which grow in areas with warm summer and cold winter. Third, ecosystem in grassland. Some of the examples of natural ecosystem of this type are temperature grassland and tropical savannas. The significant vegetation are tall grass with few shrubs and trees. Animals that can be seen in the grassland and rabbit, owls, zebra, etc. Second, aquatic ecosystem. As the name suggests, these include the ecosystem found within water bodies. They are the most common type of ecosystem found on Earth, as water covers around 75% of Earth's surface. First, ecosystem in stream. A stream is home to many plants and animals. Many more live along its bank. The plants, the animal, and the stream itself are all part of a small ecosystem, a community of living and non-living things. Second, ecosystem in pond. A pond or lake ecosystem include biotic plant, animals, and microorganisms, as well as abiotic physical and chemical interaction. Pond and lake ecosystem are prime example of lentic ecosystems. Third, ecosystem in rivers. Rivers ecosystem are flowing water that drain the landscape and include the biotic interaction amongst plants, animals and microorganisms as well as abiotic physical and chemical interaction of its many parts. River ecosystems are prime example of lotic ecosystems. Fourth, ecosystem in ocean. Ocean ecosystems are the largest of Earth aquatic ecosystem and are distinguished by water that have a high salt content. These ecosystems contrast with freshwater ecosystems which have a lower salt content. Fifth, ecosystem in lakes. A lake ecosystem is include biotic plant, animal and microorganism as well as abiotic physical and chemical interaction. Lake ecosystem are prime example of lentic ecosystem. Thank you.